Yo, what's up guys? It's me Edward back again for another video. Let's get into it. So what's up guys? We are back again for another DIY woodworking, and this time we made a long table slash gaming. This is a multi-purpose gaming table, you can say that. So let's begin the video.
A few moments later.
I asked my father to help me build the table. He did the measurements and the layout on how we are going to build it, the precise table I need. So let's get started. He showed me how and laid off the cut wood. The wood is from Romania, and the top table, the top cover is from Malaysia. He showed me how we're going to build it step by step. So let's get into it. He said that we need to make sure everything is equal and aligned. This is gonna be the stand of the table. As you can see, we have like 2-inch. This must be equal. Every side must be equal and precise. So now let's measure and cut the plywood first. While we are cutting, I'm going to show the screen on the size and the measurements that we did for this DIY wooden table project. Don't do this alone without any guidance from a person who knows how to use tools and equipment. Now we are going to put together the frame of the legs. So with this must be very precise and straight. Be very careful to lessen any mistakes. Now we are sure that everything is equal and aligned perfectly. This is for the stand. Now we're going to be carefully putting together the frame of the stand. We're going to put them together now. Don't do this alone without any guidance from a person who knows how to use tools and equipment.
The next day,
we had to stop the middle of the night because it's going to be dark and we have to rest. Now the next day we're going to put them together. Now I am 100% we're going to put them together. This is the X mark. That means this is the top side of the table. We are going to screw the frame and the legs. Then later I will be showing you the legs and the frame into the top cover. Don't do this alone without any guidance from a person who knows how to use tools and equipment. Now we are adding some extra support to the legs and to the frame, and we are going to be adding the same screws to hold the top cover of the table and to the frame and the legs. Now we are adding the screws that will hold the top cover and the frame of the legs. Now we need to be sure that this is tightly secured and screwed together.
a few moments later.
Now my father told me that we could use the Kiwi shoe shine polish to paint it black so it will dry quickly, and for the top cover of the table we'll be using a translucent varnish of a golden brown. So let's get painting. To make sure that we painted everything thoroughly. This will be pretty cool once it's done. This is what it looks like once we finished. It looks pretty gorgeous to me. Look at that black paint and the golden brown varnish blended so nicely. So we have bring it up to the studio slash gaming room that I have, and I also added a plank for my extension cord for my sockets and for my plugs on my computer and my TV, my PlayStation 4.
Let's do this.
Now it is finally done. I have set up my table. This is a gaming slash multi-purpose table. Before I had two sets of different table, so I have to move left and right, back and forth, just to go to the laptop and to the console, to my PlayStation 4. And I'm so proud and so thankful that my father made this possible. And I added some LED strips under the table just to add some bling to it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless.